Hi there. This is the Trolley EV Atlantis Quick Assemble Guide. Let's start. Here is the first step. Carefully unbox and set out all components. Verify that all parts are included and intact before you begin. This ensures a smooth assembly process. Moving on to step 2. Position the base on a stable surface. Attach the vertical parts securely to the base using the designated mounting points. Set the stopper on the wheels, and double-check if the parts are inserted correctly to ensure all is stable. And on to step 3. Take the 2 racks and attach them to the vertical parts. Ensure the racks are aligned evenly on both sides and properly fitted before moving to the next step. Place the top rack so the cable holder faces the trolley handle. Next is step 4. Secure the structure by adding and tightening all screws. This ensures everything stays in place. Once stable, attach the top holders to the vertical structure, completing the frame. In step 5, adjust the handles to the proper position. Check the trolley's stability and alignment. This step ensures that the trolley is ready for the final components. Final step 6. Position the EV Atlantis unit. Place the canisters, put EV thermofibers inside the big one, and attachments on first raw. Add other parts in their designated spot accordingly. You are all set to start cleaning. Perform a final check to ensure all components are secure and the trolley moves smoothly. By following these steps, you'll have a fully assembled and operational trolley ready for the EV Atlantis.